In this video we will teach you how to set alpha log to be a Modbus slave device in your network. Alpha log can be set to deliver data by Modbus RTU type protocol, using RS-232 or RS-485 serial ports, or Modbus TCP using Ethernet port. Modbus TCP is operative only when the data logger is programmed to run in always-on power mode. Otherwise, Modbus RTU is operative in both low power and always-on power modes. Using RTU protocol type, the Modbus values registers are updated according to the sampling rate settled during sensor setup for each sensor. We suggest, for Modbus RTU purpose, to set the sampling rate above 5 seconds. Using TCP, this rate is programmable for the whole set of sensors. We suggest setting this value above 10 seconds. In this example, the acquisition rate for this temperature sensor has been set every 10 seconds. By Modbus RTU, instead to deliver instant values, every 10 seconds, it is possible to deliver mobile statistical values. In this case, alpha log will deliver every 10 seconds, the mobile average temperature value made by the last 6 acquisitions sampled every 10 seconds. For that, it is required to set mobile average over 10 seconds as calculated channel for this temperature. This mobile average setup is only suggestible in case of Modbus RTU requirement. To set alpha log as Modbus slave device, open 3DOM, select and open the configuration and go to connectivity. Double-click on RTU if you want to send data by serial port, or TCP if you want data by the Ethernet port, if RTU protocol type is used. In communication ports, select the number of the serial ports used by alpha log to send out the data. COM2 is the DB9 female RS-232 DCE type port, placed on top of the data logger. COM3 is the RS-485 port on the terminal board. Pin 27 for data positive, pin 28 for data negative and pin 29 for the ground. COM4 is a UART port, normally not used for this purpose. Then you need to set the data communication parameters for your communication to the master device. Address is the number of the devices on the Modbus network. If TCP protocol type is used, double-click on TCP, enable the Modbus slave TCP option. Set the data communication parameters for your communication to the master device. The update rate corresponds to the refresh time of the values in the Modbus register. We suggest setting this value according to the fastest update time rate inside the sensor list, but anyway not faster than 10 seconds. Save the configuration and upload it to the alpha log. For more information about Modbus slave protocol on alpha log, we suggest to read the manual called Alpha Log Communication Protocols available on the LSI LastM website.